Hey guys, it's Brian here with Haley Family, and today we are going to fix our gravity chairs. We've had these chairs for, I don't know, probably 4 or 5 years, and you could see the elastic is just broken down, and they're just kind of falling apart. One thing I didn't like about these chairs with the elastic is they were pretty springy when you would sit on them. So I'm going to replace it with paracord and see how it works. So Jake and I are going to jump in the truck and then we'll be back here in a few. Okay, let's do this.
I'm going to shake my horse to the right, turn low. I'm going to rise up and I'm going to no more horses in the tent and horses in the back.
Jake, you're hilarious.
No more.
No more horses?
Yeah.
But you're going to take your horse down the road?
Yeah.
Okay. See, I think this will work. Some paracord. Let's go with this one right here. So, 110 pounds, 50 feet. We'll give this a shot. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna tie it on the bottom and work my way up, and just kind of go all the way up the chair, and doing these sections, and I'm just gonna tie it off. So I'll do this first section down here, and then I'll show you what I did. Okay, so I did this bottom portion here. I just looped it through the holes. I'm going to tie it off here. I'm going to loop it back in and tie it just like that. But I just looped it in and looped it around. I left some slack in there. This paracord's rated for 150 pounds, and that's tensile strength. So each one of these little guys here can pull 150 pounds. So it has no issues supporting the weight. And then I did the same thing here. I just tied it off. So now I'm going to cut it and just burn the ends after I tie this one off and cut it and burn the ends. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side and then the same thing on the top. And we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully it works.
Here, it's almost done, but we need to do the other one. I don't know why, but we're trying to fix these lounges. Look, we have to do this side. We have to tear it off. Gotta hang it. And then this one is pretty broken. Yeah, our dad got that fireplace. We just got finished with another one putting.
What are you doing with the camera?
I was calling
You gotta act. Got the first chair finished up. I looped them all through. Put them all on there, tied them on the ends down there. And so I'm gonna give her a shot, see what it's like. Alright. Oh yeah.
We just fixed that chair.
Fixed it all up. Paige, you wanna give it a go? Try it out. Oh yeah, much better. Bust it. Hey, that's your foot. Bust it. Alright, cool. That turned out pretty nice. I put the paracord all the way through there, and I got it pretty tight. I put the cushion back on. I've tested it out. It's pretty nice to sit on. I like it better than the elastic, to be honest. The elastic was kind of springy and could sometimes be bouncy, and I really didn't like that. This kind of stiffens it up a little bit. But if you have your gravity chair falling apart like ours was, it's a pretty easy fix. I was able to do this one chair in 10 minutes. So there you go. We're gonna keep doing adventures And any little project we have, we'll share it with you. So if you like our channel, please subscribe, and we'll see you later.